It's... You're not pig food.
Yeah, that's the sound he makes. He's gargling water. Don't they gargle water?
I'm gonna go attempt to piss now.
See what? If it touches your belly, I'm touching your belly.
He doesn't really like to have his belly touched, obviously.
It doesn't let me.
Hey, Echo.
Turn on your belly.
The only few times he doesn't seem to care is if you're just really gentle with it.
Maybe it's really sensitive.
Because most cats are afraid to let their
He's
stomachs
just
be
self-conscious about
touched.
it.
It's their most vulnerable spot.
Because there's no bones.
All you have to do is hit his butt and he'll do that, and then you can touch his belly.
Belly, I'm touching your belly.
That's how you
He
gain
doesn't
access
care.
on the final level.
You can do anything with him and he doesn't really care.
No, I remember I like hit him like this and he was
Well,
like,
he doesn't
"Rawr."
like to have himself be beaten like Echo. But I like make him dance and stuff, and Nemesis doesn't really care.
You want a nose flat, huh? Nose flat.
Echo would win.
He's made out of noses.
He
Hey,
just
furry.
likes to wipe his nose on people.
Little paws. You got your little baby paws. See, Echo, when you're grown up, your paws will be like